Okay, so the first thing we find in section 5 is the introductory paragraph. And we cover several different things there. First is that a land title survey has to be performed on the ground. Now, there's an exception to that, or an option for an exception, which we will address when we talk in the course on Table A, and that's Table A, Item 15, which is an option that they're to do some things other than doing them on the ground. But we'll talk about that when we get to Table A. The second item, and this is an important one from the standpoint of the title, of the title companies and the consumers of these surveys. It says that we're going to conduct our measurements and locate these features pursuant to the appropriate degree of precision based on what they're going to do with the property if that's reported to us. And if it isn't reported to us, we're going to do that based on what the existing use is. Now, it's kind of a funny thing because it's not like we would say, well, this one's only going to be a farm, so let's put away our precise equipment and we'll get out our low cost or our low precision equipment. Surveyors generally don't do that, right? We make our measurements with the best equipment that we have at any given time. But it's important from the consumer standpoint, being the title company and the lender, to know that we are going to make our measurements appropriate to the property and to the use of the property. Now, the change from 2016 to 2021 was that we talked about precision, but we realized we needed to clarify that what we're talking about locating the various features, not the precision of the boundary, which is what we addressed in section 3E. So that's a minor addition to the introductory comments, just to clarify what we're talking about when we talk about this precision, not the boundary. We have 7 parts to section 5. First, that we're going to talk about here in a minute are the monuments. We put that first because this is kind of what surveyors are all about. We know this is going to be the basis, and the end game on the boundary is finding the monumentation that we need and setting monuments if that's appropriate.